Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Dacia Duster. It's the Laureate edition. It is the 4x2, so it's two-wheel drive. Please don't get confused. But it's in absolutely stunning condition. Service history's lovely. It's had the cam belt, the water pump done. It's got alloy wheels. Really is incredible condition. For black as well. Not really any marks I can point out to you on it really. Great cars to drive, really durable. Dacia, very reliable. Boot area is lovely. It's got the rear parcel shelf. Seats do fold back. Interior is incredible condition. Really. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Got the air conditioning, Bluetooth, 6-speed gearbox, electric mirrors, electric windows all round, multifunction for the stereo system. So it's in lovely condition. DJH are full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.